The first letter, inshallah ta'ala, is that letter, and I'll pronounce it for you. And then the second one is this. Okay. And this is the third. And this is the third, inshallah. This is the fourth, sorry. We say a, ba, ta, tha. You say a, ba, ta, and tha. I want you to listen to the pronunciation of these letters, as they are very important to know how to pronounce them. Jim, ja, ha, without a dot. Or letter is a kha. Jim, ja, ha, ha, kha, kha. It's da. The second one is the. And the next one is ra. And then the last one is za. Da, dhal, dha, ra, ra, zai, za, sa, sin, sorry, sheen. And then we have sad. And then dad, sin, sheen, sad, and dad. Ta, dha, ain, ghain, fa, and qaf. Ta, dha, ain, ghain, fa, and qaf. Kaf. Okay? And then we have the letter lam. And then we have the letter mim. And then we have the letter noon. Ka, kaf. La, lam. Ma, mim. And it's na, noon. Wow. Ha. Lam, alif. La. And then you have ya. Wow. Whoa. Wa. Ha. Lam. Alif. Ya. Ya. My beloved brothers and sisters, this is just the surface. This is the beginning. This is the foundation. Every single goal that you want to reach in life, it starts with that first step that you have to take. It's sometimes the hardest step to take. Once you take it, you start seeing the fruits of your hard work. Every person that you see, my brothers and sisters, who's reached a level of scholarship, became alim in Islam, they had to start with these alphabets. The alif, the ba, the ta. And from there, they were able to author books. They were able to write the exegesis, the tafsir of the Quran. And a lot of them became grammarians and scholars. Some of them weren't even Arabs. Sibawayhi was not an Arab. Ibn Jinni wasn't an Arab. A large number of scholars today are non-Arabs. Why? Because they started from the beginning and they watched through. They started, they carried on, they persisted, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's aid came in their rescue, and they saw the results of their hard work. So inshallah ta'ala, my brothers and sisters, start your journey today. Sign up inshallah ta'ala to the website rahmaniyah.com, and inshallah ta'ala make dua and supplicate to Allah ta'ala that He makes it easy for you. Barakallahu feekum wa jazakumullahu khairan.